Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country within the Shein app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner and then use your credentials within the sign in page in order to log in to your Shein account. Once you have been logged in, you can see the various different items on offer. Now from this page, if you wish to change your country, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the settings page. Now from the settings page, you will see your location option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you can change your country by simply searching for it. After choosing your country, simply tap on the name of the country and then tap on the Continue to the country's website option. This will now switch the server for the chosen country within the Shein app. And now you can simply enter your credentials once again and you will be logged in to your Shein account within this country's servers. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your country within the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.